I wanted to do something a bit different today. Wanted and needed. The weather is terrible outside. It's so windy, and so I can't film in my usual spot because of the noise. Yeah, so I want to sort out my sewing stuff, and I thought that I would bring you with me. So I'm not too sure how all of this is going to work out, but let's give it a shot. Hair up. And this is the moment where you find hair bubbles. I know I say this a lot, but I love lycra. I always used to sew but using old clothes. Remember that my sister and my cousins and myself used to do fashion shows, so we would get old clothes and sew them up. It was fun, and then one day I thought I'm gonna make a lavender bag, so I got lots of colours of felt and just began sewing again but with new fabric, and from that I've kind of got a lot more, and I now have too much fabric. Okay, that is another box just full of felt. Next, this, as you probably will recognise from some of my videos, is my cushion fabric. I love this, and I've just had no space for such a long time, and so it's been sitting in the bag that it got posted in. It's time to give it a home. This one is so pretty. These are definitely some of my all-time favourite fabrics that I'm showing here. One thing that you need when you're sewing, I find, is cardboard to make templates. I'm forever, like for crafts, making templates with cardboard. So whenever I have some, if it's like the end of a roll of wrapping paper, I always keep it, put it to one side, and then use it later. Good advice. Sewing box, I also have little keepsakes, and I could not get rid of this. It's just too cute. As you can see, I also have a big Minnie Mouse in the background. Minnie Mouse watch. I don't know if you can tell that I was a slight Minnie Mouse fan. There you go. I liked Minnie Mouse. They have to go in my memory box. Which is a major problem. It's been sitting in the plastic box, which is just getting messier and messier and breaking more and more. So I'm going to use this, since Christmas has just gone, Ferrero Rocher box, and I'm going to fill this with my thread. That would just be the worst if all of it now fell. Almost done. I have the last little bag here and my battery is dying. Please don't die on me, battery. This was my Nana's box. I think she had buttons in it and it's now become a little thread box. Finished! So I now have my boxes of fabric with absolutely everything in. So I have my belt, that one is craft, I then have clothing and costume. I have my little basket, which is a lot tidier now, my 2 sewing boxes, which now close, box of thread, box of ribbon, and my little sewing plate. Oh, and last but not least, my little button drawer with an awful lot of buttons. I am done! Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed sorting out all of my sewing stuff. It's now a lot better organised. Hopefully it will stay that way. Everything is also tidied away, whereas before I had bags of fabric still lying about the place. It was a very productive day. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next Sunday.